Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best card picnic table is probably one of the most versatile and convenient outdoor accessories you can invest in, especially for those who love to enjoy meals or games al fresco without the hassle of traditional setups. Imagine effortlessly transforming any flat surface into a stable, comfortable dining or playing area, complete with its own shade, making it perfect for parks, beaches, camping trips, or even just your backyard. This innovative solution is designed to bring ease and enjoyment to your outdoor adventures, ensuring you can make the most of sunny days and pleasant evenings. Number 5. Ultralight Compact Camping Folding Table, Black, S. Tired of flimsy tables? Ours features a unique hinged design, built to last for years of adventures. Crafted from aerospace-grade aluminum alloy, it weighs only 2.2 pounds but can support up to 66 pounds. It's waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and easy to clean. Enjoy a stable surface wherever you go. Sturdy joints and anti-slip feet ensure it stays put, even on uneven ground. Set up in seconds. Simply unfold the base and attach the tabletop. A video guide is available to show you how easy it is. It packs down small into the included carry bag, making it easy to take anywhere. The flat surface is perfect for drinks, snacks, or even a portable stove. Whether camping, at the beach, fishing, or enjoying a picnic, it's the perfect companion for your outdoor activities and travels. We believe in our product's quality. That's why it comes with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. What we like? This table boasts a unique hinge design for superior durability. Its ultralight aerospace-grade aluminum construction makes it incredibly portable yet strong. If you need a reliable, easy-to-clean table that can withstand the elements for years to come, this is an excellent choice for camping, picnics, or even as a stable surface for your stove. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for picnics or camping. The umbrella provides excellent shade, keeping us cool on hot sunny days. It's lightweight and folds up easily for transport and storage. Number 4. Nature's Ultralight Compact Folding Aluminum Table. Tired of flimsy tables? Ours features a unique hinge design for superior durability, ensuring it lasts for years to come. Enjoy the natural beauty of our new wood grain tabletop. Its flat, stable surface is perfect for all your needs. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy, it weighs only 1.5 pounds yet supports up to 66 pounds. It's waterproof, corrosion-resistant, and heat-resistant too. This compact table packs down small and comes with a carry bag, making it easy to take anywhere. Setup is a breeze, so you can relax in seconds. Perfect for camping, picnics, the beach, or even breakfast in bed. Its ideal height and size are great for drinks and snacks. We stand behind our product with a limited lifetime warranty against manufacturer defects. You can trust its quality and performance. What we like? Featuring a stylish new wood grain tabletop, this mini table offers a natural aesthetic. Its low-profile design provides enhanced stability, making it ideal for drinks and snacks. If you appreciate a natural look and need a super lightweight, compact table for casual outdoor lounging or even breakfast in bed, this option is perfect for you. What people say. The table is sturdy and well-made, perfect for picnics or camping. The umbrella provides excellent shade on sunny days, keeping us cool and comfortable. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it convenient for outdoor activities. Number 3. Best Choice Products 2-in-1 Transforming Picnic Table Garden Bench. Introducing a unique piece of furniture that effortlessly transforms from a picnic table to a garden bench in seconds. It's perfect for enjoying meals or simply relaxing outdoors. Crafted from sturdy, natural wood, this versatile item is built to last. It's also lightweight, making it easy to move around your outdoor space. This furniture piece cleverly combines a bench and a table, making it an ideal choice for maximizing space in your backyard, patio, or garden. Stay comfortable on sunny days with the convenient built-in umbrella hole. It accommodates most standard umbrellas, providing welcome shade. The natural wood finish is ready for your personal touch. Customize it to perfectly match your outdoor decor and style. Enjoy its dual functionality and durable construction. It's designed to accommodate multiple people whether used as a table or a bench. What we like? This piece offers incredible versatility with its 2-in-1 transforming capability, easily switching between a picnic table and a garden bench. Its natural wood design is perfect for those who love to customize their outdoor space. If you're looking for a space-saving furniture solution for smaller yards or patios that can serve multiple purposes, this is the ideal choice. What people say. This table is perfect for picnics and outdoor gatherings. It's lightweight and easy to carry, making it ideal for camping trips or beach days. The umbrella provides ample shade, and the table surface is sturdy enough to hold food and drinks. The design is clever and functional. It folds up compactly for storage and transport. The built-in cup holders are a nice touch, and the umbrella attaches securely. It's a great solution for enjoying meals outdoors without worrying about bugs or sun. I love how stable this table is, even on uneven ground. The legs are adjustable, which is a huge plus. The umbrella is also very effective at blocking the sun. It's well made and seems durable. Number 2. Picnic Time Portable Folding Picnic Table with Seats. Enjoy effortless outdoor dining with this versatile portable table. It features integrated bench seats, perfect for picnics, tailgating, or beach trips, providing convenient group seating for everyone. Setting up and packing away is a breeze. It collapses compactly into a suitcase-style case, making it incredibly easy to transport wherever your adventures take you. This table is built to last and can support significant weight. It's perfect for various outdoor activities, from tailgating to beach outings, offering a reliable surface and seating. Stay cool and comfortable with the built-in umbrella hole. Easily add your favorite umbrella for instant shade, enhancing your outdoor experience. Your satisfaction is guaranteed. This durable table is backed by a lifetime guarantee from a trusted family-owned business, ensuring a secure investment. What we like. This portable table is designed for group enjoyment, featuring integrated bench seats for 4 people. It collapses neatly into a suitcase-style case for effortless transport. If you frequently go on picnics, tailgating, or beach trips and need a convenient, all-in-one seating and table solution for a small group, this is the perfect pick. What people say. The table is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for outdoor picnics. The umbrella provides excellent shade, keeping us cool on sunny days. It's incredibly portable and easy to set up, making it convenient for travel. Number 1. Picnic Time NFL Football Field Folding Picnic Table. Introducing the portable camp table with built-in bench seats, perfect for seating up to 4 people. It's designed for your convenience and enjoyment outdoors. This folding table boasts a durable aluminum frame and an easy-to-clean ABS plastic top. It conveniently collapses into a compact suitcase-style case for transport. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust construction, supporting up to 250 pounds per bench and 20 pounds for the table. It's ideal for tailgating, picnics, and beach trips. This table features a central hole designed to hold a standard beach umbrella, keeping you comfortably shaded during sunny days. We stand by the quality of our product with a lifetime guarantee. It's backed by a family-owned business dedicated to providing exceptional outdoor gear. What we like. Show your team spirit with this uniquely themed folding picnic table, featuring an NFL design. It comes with bench seats for 4 and a convenient umbrella hole for shade. If you're a football fan looking for a fun, portable table for tailgating, camping, or backyard gatherings that adds a touch of personality, this is the ultimate choice. What people say. The table is sturdy and the umbrella provides good shade. It's lightweight and easy to carry, perfect for picnics. The design is clever, with cup holders and a stable surface for food and drinks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.